Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we tackling a challenge that I know so many of us face, satisfying that sweet tooth without derailing our health goals. We all love a good dessert, right? That little treat after dinner, that comforting bite when we need a pick-me-up. But so often, desserts are loaded with sugar, unhealthy fats, and a ton of calories. It can feel like you have to choose between enjoying your food and staying on track. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not true. You absolutely can have your cake and eat it too, metaphorically speaking. Today, I am going to share my all-time favorite recipe for a dessert that is not only incredibly delicious, but also completely guilt-free. We're talking low-calorie, absolutely no refined sugar, and packed with nutrients. This recipe has been a game-changer for me, and I can't wait to show you how easy it is to make. So, if you're ready to discover a dessert that will blow your mind without blowing your diet, stick around. Let's get cooking. The star of our show today is a decadent, creamy, no-bake chocolate avocado mousse. I know what some of you might be thinking. Avocado in a dessert? Trust me on this one. The avocado is our secret weapon. It creates the most unbelievably smooth and rich texture, just like a traditional mousse, but instead of heavy cream and empty calories, we're getting healthy fats, fiber, and a whole host of vitamins. It's the ultimate healthy swap. And the best part? You can't even taste the avocado. It just provides that luxurious, creamy base that we're looking for. This mousse is so rich and satisfying, you'll feel like you're indulging in something truly sinful, but your body will be thanking you. Plus, it's a no-bake recipe, which means it's super simple and perfect for those days when you don't want to turn on the oven. It literally comes together in minutes. So, let's talk about what you'll need. The ingredients list is wonderfully short and simple. First, you'll need 2 ripe avocados. Make sure they're nice and soft to the touch, as this will give you the creamiest result. Next, we need our chocolatey element. We're using half a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. Go for a good quality one if you can, as it really makes a difference in the flavor. Now for the sweetness. Since we're not using any sugar, our magic ingredient is medjool dates. You'll need about 8 of them, pitted. Dates are amazing because they provide a natural, caramel-like sweetness and are also a great source of fiber. If your dates are a little dry, you can soak them in hot water for about 10 minutes to soften them up, which helps them blend better. Then, we need a 1/4 cup of a plant-based milk of your choice. Almond milk, oat milk, or coconut milk all work beautifully. This just helps to get everything moving in the blender. Finally, a teaspoon of vanilla extract to round out the flavors, and a tiny pinch of salt to enhance that rich chocolate taste. And that's it. Just 5 main ingredients for the most amazing healthy dessert. All right, let's put it all together. This is the easiest part, I promise. Grab your high-speed blender or a food processor. First, slice your avocados in half, remove the pit, and scoop the flesh into the blender. Next, add your pitted medjool dates, the unsweetened cocoa powder, the vanilla extract, and that little pinch of salt. Pour in your plant-based milk. Now, pop the lid on and get ready for the magic. You're going to blend this on high until it's completely smooth and creamy. This might take a minute or two. You may need to stop and scrape down the sides of the blender a couple of times to make sure everything is getting incorporated. Just keep blending until there are no lumps and you have a thick, silky, luscious mousse. You'll see the color transform into this deep, rich chocolate brown, and the texture will be absolutely perfect. Once it's smooth, give it a little taste. If you feel like you want it a little sweeter, you can add another date or two and blend again, but I find this ratio is usually perfect. Now that our mousse is blended to perfection, it's time to serve it up. You can enjoy it right away, but I think it's even better when it's been chilled. The chilling process allows the flavors to meld together and the mousse to firm up a little bit more, giving it an even more decadent texture. So spoon the mousse into some small bowls, ramekins, or even some fancy glasses if you're feeling it. Look at how rich and thick that is. It's hard to believe it's made from avocados. Cover the bowls with some plastic wrap and pop them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. An hour is even better if you can wait that long. This is the perfect make-ahead dessert for a dinner party or just to have on hand for when a craving strikes. It will keep well in the fridge for a couple of days, though I doubt it will last that long. Okay, our mousse has been chilling in the fridge, and it's time for the best part, the taste test and the toppings. Taking this dessert to the next level is all about the garnish. I love to add a little texture and extra flavor. My favorite way to top this is with some fresh berries like raspberries or sliced strawberries. The slight tartness of the berries cuts through the richness of the chocolate perfectly. A sprinkle of cacao nibs is also amazing for a little bit of crunch. Or you could add some toasted coconut flakes, a dollop of coconut cream, or even just a light dusting of more cocoa powder. Feel free to get creative here. Today, I'm going with a few fresh raspberries and a sprinkle of cacao nibs. It looks so beautiful and professional. All right, let's go in for a bite. Wow, it is so incredibly creamy, so rich, and so chocolatey. You get that deep dark chocolate flavor, balanced by the natural sweetness from the dates. The texture is just heavenly light but also substantial. You honestly would never, ever guess that this is healthy or that it's made with avocado. It's pure, delicious indulgence. So why is this dessert so much better for you than a traditional chocolate mousse? Let's break it down. A classic mousse is typically made with heavy cream, egg yolks, and a lot of refined sugar. While delicious, it's very high in saturated fat and empty calories that can lead to energy crashes. Our version flips the script entirely. The avocados are packed with monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy and can help keep you feeling full and satisfied. The dates provide sweetness from a whole food source, along with fiber, which aids in digestion and helps to stabilize blood sugar levels. You won't get that sugar rush and subsequent crash. And the unsweetened cocoa powder is a powerhouse of antioxidants. So with every single bite, you're not just satisfying a craving. You're actually fueling your body with beneficial nutrients. It's a dessert that works for you, not against you. This is what I mean by making healthy eating sustainable and enjoyable. You don't have to feel deprived. You just need to get a little creative with your ingredients. This recipe is also incredibly versatile. You can easily customize it to your liking. If you're a fan of mint chocolate, try adding a few drops of food-grade peppermint extract to the blender. For a citrusy twist, a little bit of orange zest would be incredible. You could even add a spoonful of your favorite nut butter, like almond or peanut butter, for an extra protein boost and a nutty flavor profile. If you don't have dates, you could substitute with a little bit of pure maple syrup or agave nectar, though I personally love the flavor and fiber that the dates provide. The point is to have fun with it and make it your own. This mousse also makes a fantastic, healthy fruit dip. Imagine serving a big platter of fresh fruit with a bowl of this chocolate mousse in the center. It's a guaranteed crowd pleaser for both adults and kids. It's a great way to encourage everyone to eat more fruit. I truly believe that developing a healthy relationship with food is about finding balance, not restriction. It's about learning to create versions of the foods you love that nourish your body and make you feel good from the inside out. This chocolate avocado mousse is the perfect example of that philosophy. It proves that you can enjoy rich, decadent, satisfying desserts without any of the guilt or negative health consequences. It's a recipe that I come back to time and time again, and I hope it becomes a staple in your kitchen too. It's quick, it's easy, it's made with simple, wholesome ingredients, and most importantly, it is absolutely delicious. You have to give this one a try. I promise you, and anyone you share it with, will be completely shocked when you tell them the secret ingredient. Thank you so much for joining me today. I had so much fun sharing this recipe with you. I really hope you try it out and love it as much as I do. If you do make it, please let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you and seeing your creations. And if you enjoyed this video and want more healthy, delicious recipes like this one, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on what is coming next. Your support means the world to me and allows me to keep creating this content for you. Hit that notification bell too so you're the first to know when a new video drops. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.